Please stand. Okay, Marvin, please lead the prayer.
Let's put ourselves in the holy presence of the Lord, as we always say. We are the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us into test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Okay, thank you, Marvin. Please take your seat. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss
Morning,
Caro.
Miss
Wow, I can see beautiful and handsome faces today. How are you today, class?
We're great.
Good to hear that, class. Okay, all right. Please say present if your name is called. Marvin,
Present.
Vanessa,
Person.
Jeffrey,
Present.
Angel. All right. No one absent this morning. I think you are interested today, class.
Yes.
But before that, before we proceed to the next topic, let's have a quick review. So, who can give me a recap of our last discussion yesterday? Okay, thank you, Jeffrey. Thank you. Okay, now I'll tell you the objectives of this discussion before we proceed of this topic. Okay. Setting up welding equipment. So our objective today is you can identify how to set up the welding machines and equipment. And next is demonstrate on how to set up the welding machines and equipment. So here are the pictures of welding machine and equipment. So let's familiarize this equipment. So the welding. And this is the welding machine. So we can't weld without welding machines, right?
Yes.
So this is the welding machines, and also we can weld without the power source. Of course, we have the power source. We have in the back of the welding machine. They had a on and off. This is the power. Discussion if we need the electricity or the battery, we can use the battery or electricity. So next is show the metal arc welding machines parts in the procedure. First, let's have A. Machines. Show the metal arc welding machine is the main part of this process because without the machine, certainly we cannot do welding process. So this is the main points of the welding. So next is the electrode cable. So the electrode cable, is like it connects the current from the welding machine to the electrode, which we can use to weld the base metal. So next in the welding setup is the masa cable. It has a functional connection current from machine to base metal. After that base metal and electrode touch, then welding process is happening if the masa cable touch in the base metal. So next is the welding power source. The function for the supply current from electrode source to welding machines. So next in the equipment of welding is the current control. For the current control output, which uses for the welding process, big or little, the current dependent form type of thickness of the metal nut. So next is the electrode holder. Muna siya nagunit sa electrode. So hold the electrode so we can the welding process easily. Other side holder has a function for an electric current of electrodes to the electrodes. So next is the air clamp, which is connect the machines to the base metal. So next in the switch for on and off the welding machine. So makita na niyo ay on and off. When on, time to use. When off, manaog, use during the one. So next is the electrode. As a filler metal, after the welding process finished, then the electrode will change the metal. The electrode has flux, which functions is to protect steel melting when the welding process takes place. So next is let's have a small operation setup. So this is the step-by-step process muna siya ang set-up sa small welding machine. So first is when you go to our shop in the school or in our own shop in our house, we need to clean the workpiece. Ang kalibutan, limpyuhan pa o silihigan pa ang mga mess na butang. So next is clamp the work close to the wheel. So next step is insert the electrode into the insulated holder. Set amperage at levels recommended by the electrode manufacturer. So imo tong i-adjust ang electric current. So next step is determine the best arc length. As a guideline, the arc for 1/16 to 3/32 diameter electrode is 1/16, which is 1.6 millimeter. The arc length for 1/8 and 5/32 is electrode is 3 millimeter. There's some distance sa arc length. So have a shipping hammer available to remove the slack and before and second pass of the weld. Kung man mo welding, gamit ka shipping hammer kung tagtawon mo ang mga slack. So that's all. So, okay class, let's have an activity. So,
Oh, we're very excited for that, Mom. What was that?
so our activities for today is you identify which is the machine equipment. I'll read the meaning of the equipment and you identify the answer or the name of the equipment. So wait class, wait for a while, So, I'll read. So, having to function for supply current from the electrical source to the welding machine. What is the answer? Okay, HL.
Welding power source.
Good, thank you. So next is, it is the function of electric cable connects to the current from the welding machine. Okay, Marvin.
Electrode cable.
Thank you, that's good. Okay, next is, we can't weld without the,
Machine.
oh, thank you, Vanessa. So, alright. So, I'll be grouping you into two groups. So you need to demonstrate tomorrow, this is your assignment, you need to demonstrate tomorrow on how to set up the welding machines and equipments. So this line will be group 1 and this line will be group 2. So I'll giving you 5 minutes to collaborate your idea. Okay, thank you. Please take your seat. So 5 minutes done. Okay, all right, class. Thank you for today and have a good day.